Hey friends, it's Dan from Platter Talk. Today I'm sharing with you one of my best secrets for making the best smoky meats on my Traeger. We're going to use a smoker tube. Now, what is a smoke tube? A smoke tube is nothing more than a metal hollow tube with open fenestrations on it. We're going to fill this up with pellets all the way up top, maybe leave about 1 or 2 inches of space. We're going to need some pellets, obviously, and a pinch bowl. Okay, this pinch bowl is glass. You want a glass or a metal one, not a plastic one. And this is just a little dish. It holds about 2 tablespoons of pellets or so. You need some isopropyl alcohol. This is plain old regular rubbing alcohol. You're going to need a butane lighter and something to drain the pellets into. All right, so there's all sorts of ways of lighting a smoke tube. A lot of people use a blowtorch. I don't like to mess around with that. This takes about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so it's quick, it's easy, and this is how I do it every time. So you just take some alcohol and you're going to pour it into the pinch bowl of pellet, and we're going to let this soak for about 5 minutes. We'll come back and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so our pellets have been soaking in isopropyl alcohol for about 5 minutes. Now what we want to do is to drain the alcohol out of the pellets, and then we're going to pour the pellets into the smoke tube and light it on fire. All right, we're going to let that flame burn for about 5 minutes, blow it out, and we're going to get a nice burning smoky smoke tube for our recipe. All right, so just drain the alcohol, carefully dump the pellets into the smoke tube, take a little lighter. All right, voila. So we'll let this burn for 5 minutes and we'll be right back. So the smoke tube has been burning for 5 minutes. We still have a flame. We're just gonna blow it out. And now we have this beautiful smoldering smoke tube. This will last for probably 4 or 5 hours, okay? We're just gonna place it into the smoker and take whatever we're smoking, which today is that Boston pork butt. Stick it on the grill. Close the cover, and remember, if you're looking, you ain't smoking. All right, this is gonna taste really good. I hope you use one of our smoke tubes or a smoke tube. You can order one from Platter Talk. The link is on all of our smoker recipes. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel and subscribe to Platter Talk.